So let's talk about the foundational principle of NLP, the principle on which the whole NLP rests on. When Bandler and Grinder was doing their work on the initial part of NLP, the reason they were interviewing and observing these excellent people was the realization that the excellence can be learned. If you pay enough attention, if you talk to them, and if you try to understand what is going on, you would realize that the excellence is not only in the body but also in the mind. And when it comes to communication, it is always in the mind. There are some things that you will have to practice. You'll have to get your body in the shape and get your body to be able to do something. So that excellence based on your body, but it is not only body, it is always in the mind as well. And there are some stuff that is only in the mind. Being able to assert, being able to negotiate, being able to tell your point clearly, being able to ask somebody for a different result, being able to ask yourself for a different result. This is all in your mind. And what they figured out was, if you can figure out how to do that, then you can do it yourself to the same level of excellence of these excellent people. So that's why they selected communication, because communication totally in your mind. And then it can be modeled. So the foundational principle of NLP is that excellent behavior can be understood as a structure, can be understood as a steps of things that other person do. You first think of what you want to have, and then you shift its submodalities. We'll talk about submodalities in another video probably. So you change the way it is being represented to you, and then you would think about it in certain terms. So these are steps that you can do, and these steps you might not have done before. And when Richard Bandler and John Grinder realized there are excellent people thinking differently from regular people, so they went ahead and modeled them and created these techniques. So they think differently. The presuppositions are the basic thinking ways of these excellent people. Presuppositions themselves are a tool. And these presuppositions also comes from this foundational principle. If you think like them, if you model their thinking, you can have their results. If you model the structure of their thinking, you can also have similar communicational results. So foundational principle of NLP is excellence can be modeled and then learned as a skill. So I'm GamakaShri, Chief Trainer and Coach from Mind Designs International. We do NLP training programs, life coaching and executive coaching sessions, and corporate training programs based on NLP for motivation, stress management. We teach meditations, we teach energy healing work, and we also do energy healing sessions. If you want our services, please feel to contact us. Take care of yourself. Jai Shri.